Hey everyone, so today I will be showing you how to layer vinyl. This image that we're using is a unicorn, and if you are interested in this image, be sure to click the link in the description bar and join our Facebook group so you will learn how to get free SVGs. So the first thing you want to do is insert your image, whichever image you choose to use. Then you're going to go over to shapes, click the square, and then you're going to resize it into a small rectangle. And once you have resized this image, you want to be sure to also click the unlock the image so you can resize it to be a rectangle instead of a square. And then you're going to lock it once you have perfectly resized it. You're going to move it over and make sure it is perfectly aligned, and then you're going to duplicate this shape 4 more times so that you will have 5 exact size rectangles. And once you have duplicated the rectangles, the next step will be to select each one of them and go up to the top and change the colors. We're going to start with selecting the first rectangle, and we're going to change it to pink. The next one is going to be yellow or the gold color. The next one is going to be purple, black, and then the mint. So you want to have a color for each of your layers. The next step is to drag and select all 5 of them. You're going to go up to the top and click align, and you're going to go all the way to the bottom, well, almost to the bottom where it says center, and this is going to center them all together so that they will be in the exact same position. And then you're going to drag it to your image and make sure that it is aligned perfectly with your image. And the next step is going to be to hide each of the other color that you are not going to be working on. So to further explain this, you're going to turn off each color except for the black. And once each of the other colors have been turned off, you will drag and select the rectangle and the image, and you're going to weld it together. You will repeat this step by hiding the image, hiding the color that you're not working on, and going to the next step. So the next color will be pink, so we will unhide the pink, and then we're going to drag and select our mouse and weld the image together. We will repeat this until all layers have been welded with their rectangle. The last step is to turn on and make each layer visible, and then you're going to go up to save it and then click make it. And once you click make it, you will notice that each layer is perfectly aligned with the rectangle, and then you're going to click continue, select vinyl, and make it on your cutting machine. Here you can see I have cut out the images and I have already weeded them. And the next step is to apply the images to your transfer tape. And once you have your transfer tape, you're going to start with the first layer. And this step is especially important. You want to be sure to have your colors in the correct order and apply them to your transfer tape in that exact order. You're going to start with your purple, and then you're going to go to mint, then your pink, and then your gold, and last will be your black. Now I am beginning to apply the vinyl to my transfer tape, and I will be using my scraper tool to be sure that the vinyl is sticking to the transfer tape. And as you see, as I go on with the next layer, I will be cutting around the rectangle, the excess white off the rectangle, so that I can easily align it with the previous rectangle. Here I am just trimming away the excess white paper so that it will be easier to align it with the purple rectangle. And I will do this for each of the layers. And here is the final result, guys. I hope you all enjoyed this layering tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And also join our Facebook group where we share our ideas, we get inspiration, and we also help one another with our Cricut projects. Thank you, guys. I will see you all in my next one. Bye.